Assalamu alaikum students. Here is your biology's video lecture number 2 for week 8 task 1. In this lesson I will describe about two kingdom classification system, three kingdom classification system and five kingdom classification system. Two kingdom classification system. It is the oldest system and classifies all organisms into two kingdoms, Plantae and Animalia. According to it, all organisms that can prepare food from simple inorganic materials and thus can store energy are autotrophs and are included in kingdom Plantae. On the other hand, the organisms that cannot synthesize their food and depend on autotrophs or others are heterotrophs. So they are included in kingdom Plantae. Some taxonomists found this system unworkable because according to this system, bacteria, fungi, and algae were included in kingdom Plantae, and many unicellular organisms like Euglena have both plant-like, that is, presence of chlorophyll, and animal-like characteristics, that is, heterotrophic mode of nutrition in darkness and lack of cell wall characteristics are included in the features of this euglena. So there should be a separate kingdom for such organisms. This system also ignores the difference between the organism having prokaryotic and those having eukaryotic cells. Let me clear one thing here, that eukaryotes have membrane bounded nucleus. So we are included in eukaryotes, and prokaryotes are included in prokaryotic characteristics having no membrane bounded nucleus. Three kingdom classification system. In 1866, Ernst Haeckel solved the first objection and proposed a third kingdom, that is Protista, to accommodate Euglena-like organisms. He also included bacteria in kingdom Protista. In this system, fungi were still included in kingdom Plantae. This system proved to be unworkable because this system did not clear the difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Some biologists disagreed about the position of fungi in kingdom Plantae. Fungi resemble plants in many ways but are not autotrophs. They are special form of heterotrophs that get their food by absorption. They do not have cellulose in their cell wall, rather possess chitin. Five kingdom classification system. In 1937, E. Chatton suggested the terms of prokaryotic to describe bacteria and eukaryotic to describe animal and plant cells. In 1967, Robert Whittaker introduced the five kingdom classification system. This system was based on the levels of cellular organizations, that is prokaryotic, unicellular eukaryotic, and multicellular eukaryotic. The principal modes of nutrition, that is photosynthesis, absorption, and ingestion. On this basis, organisms are classified into five kingdoms: Monera, Protista, fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Margulis and Schwartz modified the five kingdom system of Whittaker. They considered genetics along with cellular organization and mode of nutrition in classification. So, Margulis and Schwartz modified the five kingdom system of Whittaker. So, here are your home tasks for the day 1. You have to memorize the concepts from textbook pages 34 to 37. Write the scientific classification of human NP. Define species. The criteria of interbreeding cannot be used for species recognition in organisms. Justify. Write about the contribution of Carolus Linnaeus, Aristotle, Abu Usman Umar al-Jahiz, and Ibn Rushd. Write about two kingdom, three kingdom, and five kingdom system of classification. Why do two kingdom and three kingdom system of classification were unworkable? Thank you and have a nice day.